Take a look at this certified pre-owned 2020 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Altitude in bright white. With LED reflector headlamps, 18-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and crosspath detection, removable rear quarter windows, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 34,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, navigation, rear backup camera, command track part-time four-wheel drive system, Sky one-touch power top, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at Marino, cjd.com, stock number D7101.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.